Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. This is a VEVOR Impact socket set. There is a lot of pieces in this thing, so let me show you what you get. Okay, so it is double latched, so it has two tabs on the side as well. And then that opens up, and what a nice complete set. I'll give you an aerial view, but they are all nice and stenciled as well as embossed. So if the stenciling wears off, you have the embossed part, kind of a close-up so you can kind of see that. And it does say on each one what size it is. And what a nice, good, rugged, complete set that you get. So it has a 1/2 inch wrench to it, 1/2 inch extension. Then it has your stubbies, it has your universal, it has another adapter there. So it has your 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter, and then your 1/2 inch to 1/4. So that's pretty awesome. So let's put a socket in action and show you how it works. All right, so let's use the 21. Nice and easy off. And then nice and easy on. So nice, good fit. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching and be safe out there.